Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Web3 Revolution. My name is Rex, and before we begin, please remember that none of what we talk about is financial advice. That being said, we have a very exciting episode for you. Let's dive right in. So today, we have Aster. You've probably heard of this one because it's really trending, and look at that daily. I mean, this is a daily chart. You can do the 4-hour chart if you want as well. But essentially, let's say you can't get in the first 4 hours, which is understandable. You still have between 14 cents and $1.60. So it already has a 10x in this. Within, I mean, we're talking, it launched the 17th. We're not even the 27th yet. So in less than 10 days, we got a 10x on Aster. I mean, I'm not really holding that much, as you can see, but, you know, I mean, I took a little profits here and there. It's not the only exchange I have. The point I'm trying to make is Aster already went through a diabolical run, and it had its great airdrop. So we're going to try to understand what is Aster and why it's so valuable. So, I mean, the easiest way to put it is obviously it's just like Hyperliquid, you know? If you go on Hyperliquid, right, we go on CoinGecko, Hyperliquid, you know, we're on Hype right now. Hype is down today. Actually Aster is slightly up, but, you know, Hype is down. Hyperliquid is worth $13 billion, and it has about $1 billion of volume. Very nice. I mean, you know, it's just a very big coin. Now we look at Aster, and we're going to see it has more trading volume and only a $2.5 billion market cap. Therefore, considering this, we could imagine a situation where indeed Aster might be worth a lot more. Now, what's really interesting with Aster is also CZ sponsor. I'm going to show you guys that real quick. You see, CZ, Changpeng Zhao, the freaking goat of all crypto, the man that made Binance and Binance Smart Chain possible. Look at that. I mean, he is supporting Aster like crazy. Big guy, big thing. Aster is all over the news. And indeed, it is worth a lot. Now, the real question is, Aster is the first one going neck and neck with Hyperliquid. Now, can they sustain themselves? It's really simple. If Aster copies the Hyperliquid book, and they are doing token buybacks of Aster, they are doing everything they can to keep it very interesting. 300x leverage on Hyperliquid, right? I mean, of course, they want you to short Hype, and then just take all your Hyperliquid volume and stick it into Aster DEX. Makes sense. Now, the one thing that Aster does not have that Hyperliquid has, and I'm going to go on Hyperliquid real quick just to show you. Yeah, there we go. We're going right here. It's the vaults. And the vaults, I think this is where Aster has an incredible opportunity where, you know, people are just putting money into these vaults. You know, you can do this hyper growth. It has $4 billion in it, and you can actually make money on it. It's really easy to do this. And I mean, HLP is the hottest. I mean, 15% APR, you're chilling, it's dollars, you know you're making your money. That is incredible. So I think that's the big opportunity for Aster. As long as they have a good program like that, I mean, you know, they have the grid trading, they have APIs, so you can really do your own personalized trading. You can use copy trading. I mean, it has all of the essence that it needs to succeed as a project. And therefore, as crazy as it sounds, even though Aster is already at a $2.5 billion market cap, I mean, look, the real question is how much bigger than Hyperliquid is this, right? Hyperliquid, we're going to do it again, is at 13 billion, let's just say. And okay, it went down a bit. It could have been a little higher, but let's just put it 13 billion. Aster is 2.5 billion. So just on that alone, I could see this going to a $10 billion market cap. There's no reason why not. I mean, it has more volume. I mean, why would it not be more? And as long as it continues innovating, puts in the vaults, it really just copy pastes what Hyperliquid did and just gives another opportunity for traders. Then yes, this is a 5x from right now. Meaning this could go realistically to around $5. That being said, it won't go in a straight line. Take advantage of the grid trading, put some grid trading in. You know, I mean, I can show you my perpetuals too. Oh, whoa, I'm up 222%. I'm probably never closing this one, by the way. I know it's not that much money, but It's just it's a test account, okay? But like, it's to make you understand that like a lot of people made money with Aster. So I mean, you could expect some short-term consolidation, maybe around the $2 billion market cap, maybe slightly lower, just like $1.20, something like that. And then from there, I would not be shocked. I mean, the lowest it can go is here, but like, I mean, it's consolidating. It doesn't really want to go under 1.2, right? And then once that happens, I mean, we'll see how high this guy rips. I mean, it's already $2 billion market cap, but there's no reason why it's not worth more. It makes too much sense. And therefore, I would definitely put a lot of eyes on this, as there's massive potential for the future of Aster. Anyways, this was Rex. I just presented to you Aster Protocol, and I hope to see you in the next video.